Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt nervous when someone says, "Tell me about yourself"? You know English, but your mouth stops. Your mind becomes blank. Today, that fear ends. In this video, I will teach you how to introduce yourself confidently in English, step by step, like a native speaker, in simple and clear English. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome to my NEU English channel and English speaking day 3. In this channel, I am teaching a 30-day English speaking course. This course is for beginners, students and anyone who understands English but cannot speak. I'll speak slowly and clearly so everyone can understand. If you follow this course daily, your speaking will improve. Let's learn English together. Introducing yourself means talking about who you are. It means your name, your background, your work or studies, your interests, your goals. When you introduce yourself well, people remember you, respect you, and feel comfortable with you. This skill is very important for school, college, job interviews, meetings, new friends, online and real life. Always start with a greeting. You can say hello, good morning, good afternoon. Now add a polite line. Nice to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. Example. Hello, nice to meet you. Hello everyone, I'm happy to meet you. Speak slowly, smile, confident, starts here. Now say your name. Simple and powerful sentences. My name is Nano. I am Nano. If you want to sound more natural, my full name is Nano, but you can call me Nano. Say your name clearly. Your name is your identity. Now tell people where are you from. Example, I'm from Pakistan. I'm from a small city in Pakistan. If you want to sound more confident, I was born and Parachinar in Pakistan. Currently, I live in Pakistan. This makes your introduction complete and real. This part is very important. If you are a student, I am a student, I am studying English, I am a college student. If you are working, I am a teacher, I work as a businessman, I am learning new skills for my future. Native style sentence. Currently, I am focusing on improving my English skills. I am working on my personal and professional growth. Now make your introduction interesting. Talk about what you like. Example, I like learning English. I enjoy watching movies. I love teaching and helping others. Natural sentence. In my free time, I enjoy learning English and improving myself. I am interested in my personal growth and communication skills. This shows your personality. This part makes your introduction powerful. Examples: my goal is to speak English fluently. I want to become confident in English. Advanced but easy. My goal is to become fluent in English and build a successful future. I believe English is the key to confidence and success. People love someone with a clear goal. Ending your introduction politely. You can say thank you for listening, nice to meet you all. Best native style ending. Thanks for listening, I'm happy to be here. Pause, smile, that's confidence. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Nano, I am from Pakistan. Currently, I am focusing on learning and teaching English because English is very important for confidence and success. In my free time, I enjoy improving my communication skills and helping others learn English step by step. My goal is to speak English fluently and build a strong future through knowledge and hard working. Thank you for listening. I'm really happy to be here. Remember this, you don't become confident by waiting, you become confident by speaking. Even slow English is powerful if it is clear. Practice this introduction every day. Change words slowly, make it yours. This was day 3, a complete powerful class on introduce yourself. If you practice this, you will feel the difference. If you like this video, like, subscribe to the channel and comment below. I am improving my English. See you in day 4. Thanks for watching.